Moldflow Adviser has the capability to analyze part warpage, allowing a user to evaluate their design and address any potential issues. The first way we can look at warpage is using the warpage indicator results. It displays as a traffic light pattern based on the specified tolerance and what is outside of that range. The yellow range is within 80 to 120% of the nominal deflection value. We can enter our own nominal deflection value and it will update the plot accordingly. This plot also makes for an easy comparison. If we look at a side-by-side comparison of two gate locations, it's very easy to see which one results in less warpage of the part. When looking at the indicator plots, there aren't actual deflection values associated with it, but we can still use the Examine tool to examine a point on the part. This will break down the cause of warpage to show you the contributing factor for that area. If you're trying to evaluate the actual magnitude, we'll look at a different plot, Deflection All Effects. This shows us our overall shrinkage and warpage of the part. If I use the Examine tool with this plot, I will get the deflection value of that specific point. We can use the scaling feature to exaggerate the part's deflection. This won't change the measured scale on the left, but rather the graphical representation of the warpage, generally making it easier to interpret overall part warpage trending. We also have the ability to anchor the part or use reference points. Again, not changing the warpage, just changing the reference to make it easier to interpret. The root causes are also plotted as individual plots. Here we can see warpage due to differential cooling, which is shrinkage differences from cavity to core, due to orientation effects, which can be either molecular orientation of the polymer changed or fiber orientation, and warpage due to differential shrinkage, which is area original shrinkage differences. By identifying the root cause, it is then easier to focus on the areas to improve. By using Moldflow Adviser to analyze part warpage and identify root causes, a user can evaluate and revise their design for optimal part quality.